What it do, baby boos? It's your girl Susie, and I am back at it with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what it do, what's good, what's popping, y'all already know what it is. So this is Polo, so all my new subscribers. So we're gonna get right into the video. I got this little throw or little fleek blanket from Walmart. And you're gonna need some jeans, some scissors. And when y'all doing this, y'all want to make sure y'all go a couple inches away, because we are making joggers, so y'all do want y'all pants to fit. I did this before, and y'all, I used leggings and it did not work out. So make sure y'all going inches apart, and when y'all do this, make sure y'all flip it over, because y'all don't want two of the same pieces and you will just have a long ass skirt, and we don't want that. So we're gonna do the same thing, cut it out. And this is going to be for the front of the pants, and then we're going to do literally the same thing for the back. And y'all, oh my god, I am so excited for the new year. 2022 is here. Happy New Year, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on my social medias and everything of that sort. But right now I am cutting out the bottom pieces. And if y'all want to leave them, y'all can, but I'm sure nobody wants to leave that down. I don't even know what it actually says, but we just cutting that out. And then y'all, I'm gonna just use my little templates that I made for the pockets, and we're gonna need, I believe, 4 of each. Yeah, 4 of each piece that we're gonna cut out. Okay, sis, so if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But y'all, I am really trying to grow on Instagram. I'm trying to grow on my TikTok, and it's been working out really well for me. So make sure y'all go ahead and follow me on those, and hit me up and let me know what type of videos y'all want me to do. Y'all know I am the DIY queen, but this right here that I'm cutting out now is the flap. You're gonna need 4 of those as well. So yeah, we're going to take the 5x8 pocket and line the template up on there, and then cut out the little piece right here. And that's going to be the piece that you put your hand through, you know, on the pockets. And then we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. So y'all, we on the road to 5K, so make sure y'all subscribe. Share the video, like the video, comment on the video, and let's get to 5K, okay? So y'all, look at Polo. It was so stinking cute. He was sleeping. He didn't want the light in his face. But anywho, y'all, right here we are taking each piece and putting them to the right side, as you can see. Now that you have all the pieces cut out, we're going to head over to the sewing machine. Look at Polo, he's just taking over my seat. So this is the flap, and we're going to go ahead and sew around just the 3 ends like I'm doing here. And then the other side we're just going to leave as is and flip it, you know, inside out. And then once we put it on the pants, you'll see why. So this is the pocket right here, and we're going to sew literally all the way around and just leave a little hole so that we can turn it inside out. Okay, so I know y'all see my money candle back there. Get y'all one. I got it from Walmart, and it actually works. Y'all see my $100 bill under there, and oh my god, just get y'all one, like for real. Okay, y'all, so this is the last side, and like I was telling y'all before, you don't want to sew all the way, so we leaving a little spot right there so we can go ahead and turn the pocket inside out. And that is basically what I'm doing here. And I'm using like my little things so I can poke out the edges to make sure they're, you know. So this is the flap right here. Okay, y'all, so this is the next pocket, and we literally just gonna be sewing where I just pointed to. Now that we have that all together, we're going to take our pants legs and sew right down the side, the front and the back, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and attach our pockets. After you're done sewing, yours should look just like this. So now let's attach the pockets. So here I am measuring to 11 to 12 inches for where I want the pocket to be placed. And then we're just going to go ahead and put the pins on, and then we're going to measure to where we want the flap. And go ahead and sew it down. Okay, y'all, so we're going to sew the flap down first, and as you can see, I am sewing across this with the flap open, and then once we're done with that, we're going to close the flap and do like a overstitch on top of the flap, like that, and do an overstitch. So yours should look like this. Now we're going to go ahead and do the pocket, and we're literally going to sew around the 3 edges. Of course, you don't want to do the 4th part because that's going to close the pocket. So yeah, pocket is all done, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now that we have both of them done, we're going to go ahead and sew just these parts right here. Don't go all the way down because your pants is gonna be, I don't know, a big ass skirt. Okay, y'all, so mind you, this is my first time doing this. I really should have did the pockets after I finished the waistline, but it was okay because they still turned out pretty cool, but they was just a little smaller than I thought they should be. But right now I am going ahead and sew down the pockets, and we're just gonna literally sew around just like we did the other ones. So y'all, now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and sew up the inside of the pants, and that's literally just a stitch. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to go ahead and work on the waistband. I already put the pins on so I can measure them to where I wanted. I put my stick pins in, and now we're just going to go ahead and sew that band. And as you can see right here, this is the pocket, and that's why I was telling y'all, like, I should have done it after the fact. But like I said, it was okay because they still turned out pretty cool. These are the final and finishing look. I did go ahead and make a top, but I didn't record that, so sorry guys. If you want the top, then just let me know. I'll give y'all a video on how to make the top, which was pretty simple as well. But this is the outfit, y'all. I'm gonna drop some pictures. I did take a little photo shoot with this outfit, so let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I love you guys. Peace.